For this recipe, we are using 2 pounds of boneless and skinless chicken breast. Cut the chicken breast into long strips, just like so. Also, feel free to remove any excess fat. Once the chicken has been all cut up, set it aside. In a shallow dish, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. In a separate bowl, beat 3 large eggs. In another shallow dish, add 2 cups of panko breadcrumbs. Season the breadcrumbs with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Give that a quick mix to combine. Then dip the chicken strips into the flour. Remove any excess flour and transfer the chicken strip into the eggs. Then dredge into the seasoned panko breadcrumbs. Once your chicken strip has been evenly coated in the breadcrumbs, transfer to a tray or a plate. Repeat the same steps with the rest of the chicken strips. Now, in a skillet over medium-high heat, add enough canola oil to fry them in. Heat up the oil until it reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and that is 177 degrees Celsius. Then fry in the hot oil for about 6 to 8 minutes or until golden brown. The internal temperature should be 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, and one more thing. Fry them in batches as to not overcrowd the pan. And now, once your chicken tenders are fully cooked, golden brown and crispy, transfer to a tray with a cooling rack. By placing the chicken on the cooling rack, any excess grease will fall to the bottom of the tray while keeping the chicken nice and crispy. Now, if you want to make them in the air fryer, preheat your air fryer for 3 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, that is 200 degrees Celsius. Set the cooking time to 10 minutes, 5 minutes per side. Once the air fryer has been preheated, place the chicken strips in the basket. Then spray the chicken strips with cooking oil. Then air fry them for 10 minutes at 400 degrees or until they reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit, flipping them halfway through. Let's make a honey mustard sauce. In a small mixing bowl, add 1/3 of a cup of Dijon mustard, followed by 1/3 of a cup of honey, half of a lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of mayo, and salt and pepper to taste. Then mix to incorporate. And after 5 minutes, pull the air fryer basket out. Go ahead and flip the chicken tenders over. Spray them with a little bit of cooking oil. Continue air frying for another 5 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Use an instant rethermometer to make sure that the chicken has been cooked all the way through. Now, can you guess which one is deep fried and which one is air fried? Serve with a honey mustard sauce, and I think that now you are ready to eat. Ooh. The darker chicken tender is the deep fried one and the lighter in color is the air fried one. In my opinion, they are both pretty good. I wouldn't say that one is better than the other as far as taste. However, the air fried one is healthier than the deep fried one, of course. I hope you give this recipe a try, either deep fried or air fried. There you guys have it, crispy chicken tenders, deep fried versus air fried. Enjoy, buen provecho, thanks for watching and I'll see you later, bye!
Ew.